Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classroom. Let us see what is happening today. Here we are going to have word problems on decimal division. Monday we learned how to divide decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Division of decimals by a whole number. On Tuesday we learned how to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. So today we are going to deal with word problems on decimal division. The first question, find the average of 4.2, 3.8 and 7.6. Average. What is average? Average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Here, which are the observations given to you? The observations are 4.2, 3.8 and 7.6. Sum of observations. What does it mean? That is, you are going to add all the observations. That is the numerator. 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 7.6. Divided by number of observations. How many terms are given to you? 4.2 first number, 3.8 second number, 7.6 third number. So how many observations are there? 3 observations are there. So 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 7.6 by 3. You will get 15.6 as the numerator and 3 as the denominator. So 15.6 I can write it as 156 by 10 divided by 3. 156 divided by 10 into 1 by 3. Why 1 by 3? Because you are multiplying by the reciprocal of the divisor. Here what is the divisor? 3 is the divisor. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now 156 by 10 into 1 by 3. So I can divide 156 by 3. I'll get 52. So 52 by 10 is equal to 5.2. Hope you understood it. The concept which you have to learn in average. Average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Next one. The next question will be of finding the perimeter. Each side of a regular polygon is 2.5 cm in length. The perimeter of the polygon is 12.5 cm. How many sides does the polygon have? Students, it's not a new word for you. Is it that polygon is a new word for you? No. Polygon is a shape like square, triangle, all are polygons. Now, the perimeter of a regular polygon. Perimeter of a regular polygon is equal to number of sides into length of one side. Okay, perimeter of a regular polygon is equal to number of sides into length of one side. What is your question here? How many sides? You are asked about number of sides. So, number of sides is equal to perimeter of regular polygon by length of one side. Length of one side. So, 12.5 divided by 2.5. 12.5 is given as the perimeter. 2.5 is given as the length of one side. How will you do? 12.5 can be written as 125 by 10. 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. Now, what will you do? Multiply with the reciprocal of 25 by 10. So, how can you write 125 by 10 into 10 by 25. Here 10 and 10 get cancels. 125 divided by 25. What is the answer? 5. The polygon has 5 sides. Okay. Now here in this question you have to learn perimeter of a regular polygon is equal to number of sides into length of one side. That is the important formula that you have to learn from this question. The last question. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Let us see what is given in your question. Distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol is equal to 43.2 km. What is your question? You have to find the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. So the first statement will be distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol is equal to 43.2 km. Therefore, distance covered in 1 liter of petrol equal to. Students, many is given and you are asked about 1. So what is the operation? Division. Isn't it? Can you give me an example for that? I am telling you 100 rupees for 10 chocolates. What is the cost of one chocolate? It is 100 divided by 10. The same concept you are using here also. 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. So for 1 liter, 43.2 km by 2.4 liters. How can I write 43.2? 432 by 10. 2.4. How can I write? 24 by 10. Then multiply with the reciprocal of the second number, that is 10 by 24. 432 divided by 24. What is the answer? 18 kilometer. 432 by 24 is equal to 18 kilometer. So the final answer is 18 kilometer. By this we come to an end of fraction and decimal chapter. Tomorrow we will discuss the summary of this chapter. Thank you, children.